If you're struggling with mental fatigue after going through a narcissistic or toxic relationship, you are far from alone. A few days ago, I did a poll on my community, a survivor community, and 96% of those who answered said that they had either suffered from mental fatigue or they are dealing with it right now. 4% said that they were not sure or they did not understand what mental fatigue meant, and none of the persons who answered said no. And this is similar to what I have seen in the clinic, working as a medical doctor at the healthcare center. I meet a lot of patients, and some of those are survivors of toxic marriages.